Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 business ideas that you can do as a student to earn a side hustle or passive income with minimal effort. Watch until the end to see the highest paying and easiest side hustles. These are all easy and realistic ways to make some extra cash while studying without having to invest a lot of time or money. Number 1. Homework. Students are bombarded with homework literally every day, but did you know you can make money off of your old homework? Simply upload your old assignments to StudyPool and earn up to $10. StudyPool is a website here you can buy and sell school assignments. Some students will do anything other than study, so you can be rest assured as there will always be kids ready to purchase your homework. As you can see, some people have already earned 6 figures just by uploading images of their old homework. Let's say every month you upload 10 documents and earn $10 per assignment. That's $1,200 in yearly income. Not bad considering this is very easy money. Number 2. Selling digital files. You can create and sell planners, calendars, wallpapers, or literally anything else on websites like Etsy. If you sell 20 digital files every month, priced at $25, that's $6,000 each year. So why not give it a try? Number 3. Tutoring. Tutoring is another great way to earn easy money as a student. You can offer your services to kids in your neighborhood, or even tutor online. This is a great way to use your knowledge and skills to help others, while also earning some extra cash. One of the best things about tutoring is that you can set your own schedule and work as much or as little as you want. Plus, you can charge competitive rates for your services, making it a lucrative side hustle. You could offer one-on-one tutoring sessions or even group sessions to maximize your earnings. Even if you aren't good at teaching, you can watch YouTube videos explaining the same topic. Advertise your services locally on Nextdoor Neighbor, an app where you can advertise and create posts that will be viewed by the people near you. If you charge $35 an hour and tutor 5 times a month for 4 hours, you can earn almost $10,000 a year. Number 4. Social media management. Another great way to earn easy money is by managing social media accounts for other businesses or organizations. You can use your skills and knowledge of social media platforms to help them grow their online presence and reach more customers. Think about what kind of businesses or organizations you would like to work with. You could offer your services to local shops, restaurants, charities, or even your own school. Then, create a portfolio of your previous work or some sample posts that showcase your style and skills. Next, reach out to potential clients and pitch them your services. You can use email, phone, or social media to contact them and explain how you can help them grow their online presence. You can charge competitive rates for your services. You could charge a flat fee per month or per post. For example, you could charge $1,000 to $2,000 per month posting daily content, engaging with followers, and running ads. If you manage 2-3 social media accounts per month, you could earn up to $6,000 in monthly income. That's $72,000 in yearly income. Social media management is a great way to earn easy money as a student. Number 5. Discord or Reddit management agency. Creating a Discord or Reddit management agency. You can hire other people to do the modding for you and offer 24/7 service to your clients. You can use your skills and knowledge of these platforms to help them create and maintain a vibrant and active online community. To get started, think about what kind of businesses or organizations you would like to work with. You could offer your services to gaming companies, influencers, podcasts, online courses, or even your own school. Next, recruit and train other people to join your agency as moderators. You can also use platforms like Discord or Reddit itself to find potential moderators who are already active and experienced in these platforms. You can offer them a percentage of the revenue or a fixed salary per month. Then, reach out to potential clients and pitch them your services. Explain how you can help them create and maintain a vibrant and active online community with your agency. You can charge competitive rates for your services, depending on the scope and complexity of the project. You could charge $2,000, $4,000 per month to manage a Discord server or a Reddit group, creating and moderating channels, roles, and events, engaging with members, and running giveaways. If you manage 2-3 Discord servers or Reddit groups per month with your agency, you could earn up to $12,000 in monthly income. That's $144,000 in yearly income. That's amazing, considering this is easy money that you can make from anywhere with an internet connection, while also outsourcing the work. Subscribe if you liked any of the ideas in this video.